Hello and welcome to this new series of videos on sacred geometry. Some things may already be familiar, but here you'll also find fresh approaches, new methods, and discoveries that have never been shared before.
Don't worry, we'll move step by step, starting from a simple equilateral triangle, then moving into more complex regular polygons, spirals, ellipses, proportions like the golden ratio, and many others. From there, we'll explore assemblies and tilings before stepping into three-dimensional geometry in an attempt to understand the minds of the ancient mathematicians and master builders.
Very soon, you'll be able to download the table of contents for the main videos, arranged both chronologically and alphabetically. In the meantime, here's a preview of the video groups.
Right after this, you'll meet all the characters who will guide you through these videos. They'll introduce the themes we're going to explore. And yes, there will also be surprise videos, but I won't say more for now.
You may have already seen them, but first there are 6 introduction videos, each marked with a little minus sign. From -6 to -1, and then this one, the 000 video. See you soon!
Of course, we'll talk about geometry, Euclidean geometry, mostly regular, remarkable, sacred, but also complex, sometimes even exaggerated. And you'll discover how the ancients can still surprise us with the knowledge they held. See you later!
We'll also dive into numbers, arithmetic, calculations, even a touch of algebra, but only in small doses, don't worry. See you soon!
And we'll explore many polygons, how to draw them, their properties, their proportions. We'll see the artistic patterns they create, like tori, and also all the star polygons such as the pentagram. Goodbye for now.
We'll also explore some polyhedra, like the 5 Platonic solids, the 13 Archimedean solids, those of Kepler, and even a brand new one, apparently discovered by Benjamin Lebeau, the creator of these videos. What are their properties? Their proportions? Stay tuned.
We'll dive into tilings, the well-known periodic ones, and the lesser-known cyclic tilings. There are far more of them than you might think. See you soon. Enjoy watching.
We'll take a closer look at spirals because there's an infinity of them, and very few are truly connected to the golden ratio or to the Fibonacci sequence. Very, very few, in fact. So get ready to leave that belief behind. See you soon.
We'll talk about history, ancient Egypt, Greece, the Romans, the creators of Gothic style, the Renaissance, the Baroque, but that's not all. See you next time.
We'll analyze architecture itself, its elements, plans, styles, and facades. We'll break down temples, churches, palaces, cathedrals, basilicas, and much more. See you soon!
We'll explore a few symbols, some well-known, others less familiar. Their meaning, their origin, and more, slowly but surely.
Among the oldest symbols, we'll take a closer look at the cross. There are so many of them, you'll be surprised. See you soon!
Once everything becomes clear, we'll create an exclusive video on the analysis of the Vitruvian Man. Yes, Vitruvius himself, but of course also Leonardo da Vinci's version.
I hope this overview has sparked your curiosity, and believe me, you won't be disappointed.
We need your views to keep this project alive, to complete our research, our videos, and the knowledge we share. We're counting on you.
Thank you for watching this video.
Feel free to subscribe, like, and share.
See you soon for more discoveries on our channel. Sacred Geometry.